February 2011. So he already drove it for almost a year. The guy said he loved the power. He came from like Mercedes, you know, like luxury cars, and he missed that. He missed all that, you know, the luxury stuff.
Oh man, please, man, that's awesome, boy. That sounds like this motherfucker gonna wet his pants. Little bitch made. Yes, sir. That is nuts.
Yeah, that's like a quarter of a mile.
That is nuts. Very nice car. Put you in the seat and keep you there. Yep. You get one of these, I guess you don't pay attention on the Civics and shit. I ain't waste my time racing. Look over and laugh at them and just keep riding. You ain't put no bitches with no Civic like this. Go on the strip and motherfuckers be mad, boy. Go back to California, they be mad. Oh, I rented the motherfucker, so what? Yeah, you ain't gonna find none of these for rent either. Yeah. You see all the other little Porsches and shit. I ain't seen no GTRs with no exotic rental cars. Nah, that's beautiful. But they killed me with the back seat though. The back seat, yeah, that motherfucking midget's back there or something, you know.
This is a 16-year-old car. For 16-year-olds, where they have a little short. They haven't grown up all the way yet. They're still shorter leg room.
I figured they would do that. You know what I'm saying? This car is built for the Asian guys. Not no big black dudes, no long.
Well, they say the Japan specs, the seats are actually smaller. These are bigger seats.
That was good. Somebody made the right choice there. It'd be a lot of motherfuckers. Man, I bought that shit and I can't even get in this motherfucker. Got big basketball players trying to sit up in this piece too. They done took the back seat out, which killed me. Yeah, he actually sits way in the back, kind of.
He sits in the trunk.
Yeah, that's nuts, dude. Beautiful car though. It actually runs. The only drawback on this car, y'all, is the clunking sound from the transmission. They need to fix that shit. Really dope. You thinking your transmission falling out on some shit. Oh, I got to take to the shop. Oh, nothing wrong with it, Mr. Brown. It's just that's normal. Yeah, ain't nothing normal about this car. But, yeah, thanks.